1.3 Section Exercises. 1. Verbal. 1. What does it mean when a radical does not have an index? Is the expression equal to the radicand? Explain. 2. Where would radicals come in the order of operations? Explain why. 3. Every number will have two square roots. What is the principal square root? 4. Can a radical with a negative radicand have a real square root? Why or why not? 2. Numeric. For the following exercises, simplify each expression. 5. Square root of 256. 6. Square root of 256. 7. Square root of 4 times, open parenthesis, 9, plus 16, closed parenthesis. 8. Square root of 289, minus, square root of 121. 9. Square root of 196. 10. Square root of 1. 11. Square root of 98. 12. Square root of 27, over, 64. 13. Square root of 81, over, 5. 14. Square root of 800. 15. Square root of 169, plus square root of 144. 16. Square root of 8, over, 50. 17. 18, over, square root of 162. 18. Square root of 192. 19. 14 square root of 6, minus, 6 square root of 24. 20. 15 square root of 5, plus 7 square root of 45. 21. Square root of 150. 22. Square root of 96, over, 100. 23. Open parenthesis, square root of 42, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, square root of 30, closed parenthesis. 24. 12 square root of 3, minus, 4 square root of 75. 25. Square root of 4, over, 225. 26. Square root of 405, over, 324. 26. Square root of 405, over, 324. 27. Square root of 360, over, 361. 28. 5, over, 1, plus square root of 3. 29. 8, over, 1, minus, square root of 17. 30. Fourth root of 16. 31. Cube root of 128, plus 3 cube root of 2. 32. The fifth root of, negative 32, over, 243. 33. 15 fourth root of 125, over, 4 fourth root of 5. 34. 3 cube root, negative 432, plus cube root of 16. 3. Algebraic. For the following exercises, simplify each expression. 35. Square root of 400x to the fourth power. 36. Square root of 4y squared. 37. Square root of 49 page. 38. Open parenthesis, 144p squared, dot, q to the power of 6, closed parenthesis, all to the power of 1, over, 2. 39. M to the power of 5, over, 2, multiplied by square root of 289. 40. 9 square root of 3, m, squared, plus square root of 27. 41. 3 square root of a, b squared, minus, b square root of a. 42. 4 square root of 2n, over, square root of 16n to the power of 4. 43. Square root of 225x to the power of 3, over, 49x. 44. 3 square root of 44z, plus square root of 99z. 45. Square root of 50y to the power of 8. 46. Square root of 490bc squared. 47. Square root of 32, over, 14d. 48. Q to the power of 3, over, 2, square root of 63p. 49. Square root of 8 over 1 minus square root of 3x. 50. Square root of 20 over 121d to the power of 4. 51. W to the power of 3 over 2 square root of 32 minus W to the power of 3 over 2 square root of 50. 52. Square root of 108x to the power of 4 plus square root of 27x to the power of 4. 53. Square root of 12x over 2 plus 2 square root of 3. 54. Square root of 147k to the power of 3. 55. Square root of 125n to the power of 10. 56. Square root of 42q over 36q cubed. 57. Square root of 81m over 361m squared. 58. Square root of 72c minus 2 square root of 2c. 59. Square root of 144 over 324d squared. 60. Cube root of 24x to the power of 6 plus cube root of 81x to the power of 6. 61. Fourth root of 162x to the power of 6 over 16x to the fourth power. 62. Cube root of 64y. 63. Cube root of 128z to the third power minus cube root of negative 16z to the third power. 64. The fifth root of 1024c to the power of 10. 4. Real-world applications. 65. A guy wire for a suspension bridge runs from the ground diagonally to the top of the closest pylon to make a triangle. We can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of guy wire needed. The square of the distance between the wire on the ground and the pylon on the ground is 90,000 feet. The square of the height of the pylon is 160,000 feet. So the length of the guy wire can be found by evaluating the square root of 90,000 plus 160,000. What is the length of the guy wire? 66. A car accelerates at a rate of 6 minus square root of 4 over square root of t meter per second squared, where t is the time in seconds after the car moves from rest. Simplify the expression. 5. Extensions. For the following exercises, simplify each expression. 67. Square root of 8 minus square root of 16 over 4 minus square root of 2 minus 2 to the power of 1 over 2. 68. 4 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 16 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 8 to the power of 1 over 3. 69. Square root of n cubed over a squared square root of c to the power of negative 3 dot a to the power of negative 7 n to the power of negative 2 over square root of m squared c to the power of 4. 70. A over a minus square root of c. 71. X square root of 64y plus 4 square root of y over square root of 128y. 72. Open parenthesis, square root of 250 x squared over square root of 100b cubed, closed parenthesis, multiplied by, open parenthesis, 7 square root of b over square root of 125x, closed parenthesis. 73. Square root of cube root of 64 plus fourth root of 256 divided by square root of 64 plus square root of 256.